If we take a scenario of one solar cell that has one microcrack, and we think about that cell being in series with perhaps 71 other cells in a module, and we think about that module being in series with perhaps 25 other modules, we've got effectively on the order of 75 bypass diodes that are in line in the circuit, making that entire source circuit. With that one microcrack that grows to become at least one full crack, if that crack's not benign and part of the cell is removed from the circuit and the bypass diode turns on, you've effectively lost 1/75 of your energy from that string right away. That's the best outcome that could happen from a bad crack. A more serious outcome would be that the bypass diode fails. It either wasn't a good diode to begin with and it was faulty, or the diode blew because of a lightning strike, or the diode just wore out over time. And when that happens and the diode no longer protects the module, then that hotspot in that cell will ultimately degrade the output performance of the module very much more quickly than otherwise. And it could create enough heat and enough concentrated heat that the glass breaks and you could potentially have a fire. The economic impact of having a fire is enormous. The economic impact of cracking glass can be significant. And even the economic impact of losing 1/75 of your circuit can be very significant in terms of your bottom line.